She needs a tea. Oh no, Morgan, that's not for Morgan, dog. Come here. Here, let me show you. Hold it up. Hold it like this. Okay, you're gonna swing. Okay, hold it. Ready? Papa's gonna toss it to you. One.
Watch out, Morgan.
No, Morgan, no. Sit. Sit. Ready? Oh! Hey, Morgan.
Drop it, Morgan.
Okay. Not for you. Not for Morgan.
Morgan needs to stand out of the batter's
Come here,
box.
Morgan. Come sit with Mom. Come here.
Come here, Morgan. Come. Come.
Morgan, here. Sit down. Okay, then, ready? Stand like
Sit.
I told you. Other way. No.
Sit, Morgan.
This hand here. Okay, ready? Okay. And then show me a swing. Show me how you're gonna swing.
Good job.
Good job. Ready? Get ready. Other way. Ready? Papa doesn't do this very well. Okay, get ready? You ready? All right, perfect.
Okay, get ready. Other
Ready?
side.
Other way. Okay. Ready? Nope. Put your both hands on it.
2 hands.
Other way. Switch them. Oh, look. This hand here. That hand there. Okay. Whoosh. Okay, ready?
Uh-oh. Good job.
Want to hit it again?
Morgan.
Morgan, you're supposed to hold it though.
Come, Morgan. Come here, Morgan. Sit right here.
You want Papa to hit it? Okay, throw it.
Don't hit her in the face.
Try again. Oh.
Sit. Strike 1. Oops.
Oops.
Sit,
Go over
Morgan.
there. You don't want to hit the baseball?
What do you do?
Throw? Okay, go over there. Go over there. Papa will throw it to you. Ready?
Oh, almost. Come on, Morgan.
Throw it to Papa.